First challenge is, can we operate Zoom?
Cheers.
See how this goes.
Did you want to just tell Neil about your little issue with the stovetop?
I don't know. It's only operating at about a third power. I turn it on high and the flame's about like that.
Oh, looks like a candle.
So secretly, I'm rather glad that she's actually got some sort of handicap to put us on an even keel.
Yeah.
Right.
So stage one.
Yeah. So stage one. So we've got the ceviche. So we've got shrimp and some unknown fish.
Yeah. A white fish.
Yeah.
Whatever it is.
And Lily, what have you got in yours?
I have cod and red snapper and scallops.
Wow.
That's lime juice. That's four limes.
Mm-hmm.
Need a bit of pepper in there. A bit of salt.
Oh, you already have your lime juice done? Okay, red onion, unsalted, sorry.
That's alright, that was only a last minute pickup when I actually read the recipe properly.
Yeah, well, you're ahead of me.
Alright, I'm going in with the garlic and the onion.
Garlic, onion, salt.
So we've got some of this, which is Neil's favourite. It's a super hot...
Rocket fuel.
Yeah, rocket fuel chili. Look at that.
Yeah. Looks good.
Accuse me of cheating.
Yeah, well, NADJA does have some trust issues. She's working through, but they're mainly because of me.
Added the optional olive oil.
Yeah, I'm going to do that too. Alright, so I'm going to put a lid on that and shove that in the fridge. It's always a worry when they've got a picture of what it's supposed to look like. The ceviche is slowly cooking in the fridge.
Mm-hmm.
So now moving on to our flan. Lili's going to try and attempt to cook it on a gas stove top that's not working at the moment. And I'm going to try it with coconut sugar. So hopefully that works the same as normal sugar, because that's all I've got. I think it was a cup of that.
You think?
I'm not really good at following recipes.
No, I know, but with baking, I think you've got to. This is just water.
Yeah.
This should be your forte, NADJA, burning stuff.
I know.
Alright.
Yeah.
That's got to go to caramel, yeah?
Yeah, so it's got to come to the boil, and then I've got to cook it for about 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Well, oh shit.
Oh dear. It started. It started.
I lost my spoon in the sugar.
It's gone into the tar pit. You guys are going to win on freshest ingredients for sure. Since you grew most of it yourselves. That's an unfair advantage.
So it is meant to boil vigorously?
Yes, it is. Mine is, which is surprising.
Oh, good. So far, so good.
What's happened, honey?
Wow.
It's gone hard. That's no, this is NADJA's caramel sauce.
I think.
See what I have to put up with.
Oh. So what are you doing, honey?
Trying to save pop after your caramelized.
Oh yeah, that didn't go so well, did it? And there's.
Yeah, you're gonna make some more?
Yeah, I suppose.
Yeah.
Well, do you know, the recipe said to cook it for 10 minutes. So I said, and I
Can't do that.
Yeah.
You could give me the pot, NADJA, before it clots. That's my normal job.
Right.
Anyway, speaking of death, how are we going here, NADJA? That's a caramelized doodah.
So
So what's going in here?
Right, well, I'm hoping we've got the right ingredients.
For the viewers at home, they need to know. A whole tin of
A whole
that.
tin of condensed milk. Then it's a whole can of evaporated. Whole can of evaporated milk.
Apart from the bit that went on the floor.
Oops.
6 eggs.
So get those in there.
There you go.
And 6. Teaspoon of vanilla essence. And the cheese, the cream cheese.
Seriously.
I drink better when I cook though.
Yeah. I know. I don't know where that bottle of wine's gone. Nudge.
Alright. Gonna blend this little puppy up. Alright.
Pina coladas are ready.
Yeah.
The water bath
Looks good.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Oh shit.
I'm thinking of cleaning up what's left of my water bath.
Nudge, you're gonna have to do something.
Yeah,
Or I stop filming.
we got another problem.
It's not watertight. Honey, before... Stop, look, put it in there, get the big bowl.
Righto. Lily, I don't.
Oh,
Oh, shit.
we'll be back. That's arrogance for you.
I thought this would be really straightforward.
So simple.
Oh, look at this mess.
Using a waffle iron to make pizza and quesadillas and something else. It actually looks pretty good.
Yeah? Oh well. Have you got a number? Because we... This actually works.
That would be a bit
We'll
of a
edit
miracle.
the whole thing so it looks like it's supposed to happen. Right. Planned. Done. Nailed.
Right.
Jeez, thank God for that. They're in the oven. For how long?
15 minutes. Okay, so we're now making the brown sauce for the main enchilada. Got black beans in there. It's got garlic, onions, chicken stock, some cumin, a bit of oregano, some salt, and adobe chipotle thingies. So give it a bit of spice. So we're going to blend that up, and that's going to be the basis of our sauce. Oh yeah, that's got a bit of a kick. So we're putting shredded chicken, mushrooms, capsicum, and a bit of shredded cheese inside ours. So we're going to put a little bit of the sauce on the bottom here. So I'll spread that out, and then we need to put the sauce in here as well. We're going to put the tortillas in there, and then we're going to pour a little bit over the top at the end.
Yeah. Wow. Sounds like she knows what she's doing.
Yeah, it sounds really professional, doesn't it? Let's make our first one.
So you got to dip it in there.
Yeah, dip that. Okay. Then I'm going to put a bit of chicken in, a bit of mushroom, capsicum, and
Chicken's good.
Alright, so that hopefully now that can roll up. And now I'm supposed to put it face down. There we go. Oh, look at that.
How many is this feeding?
Oh, look at this, honey. Are you impressed? gone from one disaster to another on the flan. I've just realised that I've forgotten to put alfoil over the top, which is probably why mine looks like a bubbling over lasagna. So we're quickly rectifying it about halfway through.
Is this like when you forgot to put the sugar in my carrot cake?
Oh.
And just tried to stir it in halfway through the baked cake?
Yeah, a little bit like that crap.